Okay, everybody, hello and welcome back. Today is 6/30/22, 13/21, 126, 5 minutes difference, whatever. We put in 11.12 gallons at 5.899, 6560. And with this specific video, just wanted to show you guys that I got my car serviced. And people are like, well, how much did you pay? Look at that: labor, parts, gas, oil, lube, amount, miscellaneous, total, discount, sales. Nothing but zeros. So I got a service today at 12:38. Got the car serviced. And it says here, customer states perform 10,000 mile maintenance service. So believe it or not, the oil lasted almost 10,000 miles. And that is one of my things that I have reason to believe that because the viscosity of the oil was breaking down, I wonder if that was bringing down my miles per gallon. So as you can see, I serviced the vehicle today, filled up the tank. Let's turn on the vehicle. You can see it says 9,900.7. Let's put on the seatbelt. Okay, come on. Okay, 9,900.7. Says it's ready. And we pressed OK. 47.4, which is the lowest, I think, for all you people that are subscribers and have been following my my journey with my Maverick. Yeah, I'm almost at 10,000 miles. I'm 100 miles short. And so we're going to hit the OK button. So when you hit the OK button, hold OK to average reset refuel. It says average fuel reset. We're at 0. And interesting enough, from the dealer to Costco to get gas, I've noticed that my needle tends to stay below half. So I wonder if they added coolant. It says that they rotated the tires. The battery passed, brakes check, tires check. So interesting. We will see what our new fuel economy is going to be. So till the next fuel up, this is Renee with my 2022 Ford Maverick Hybrid. Questions, comments, concerns, put in the comment section below. All right, everybody, catch y'all in the next one.